Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We are working on a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. As you guys know, on the standard model, it does not come with the sport, trail, and crawl mode. However, you can add it. Part number B4J-87280-10, retail $299. Installation is a breeze. What you got there, John?
You just pop the plug out right here, stick it in there.
Well, that was easy. Okay, and then you've got to take, what, 6 screws off the dash?
Yeah, 4mm Allen heads across the top and then 10mm on the front. Just lift that up, plug it in.
So all the wiring is already there, ready to go. Installation takes what, 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Pretty simple job there, you guys. For those of you that have purchased the standard model, in the 2-seater, that would be the white or the gray one. And in the 4-seater, that would be the gray one. Comes in a little box like this, everything you need. Again, part number B4J-87280-10. Once it's installed, it looks just like the XTR or the limited model. There on the switch. Sport, trail, and crawl mode is very, very different in the settings. Sport mode is going to be for your kind of snappy throttle response, that cat and mousing around the dunes, playing around out there, being aggressive on the trails. Trail mode is my personal favorite mode. That is the mode that gets rid of all the jerky sensation on the throttle. As you're going up and down the trail systems, it also increases the downhill engine braking severity. And then of course you've got crawl mode on there as well. Crawl mode really almost dumbs the machine down, if you will. You've got to push a lot harder on the throttle to get it done, to get the machine moving and accelerating. You do still have top speed and all that jazz, but it really is going to keep that front end from lurching. Also, you guys, the crawl mode will severely increase the downhill engine braking for you. There you have it. 435-851-3637 is my cell. 435-851-3637. Again, text or call that number, and the shop 435-427-3338. Just going back together there. And that's how easy it is to install the drive modes on the Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. Have a great day, everybody.